Does anybody else have those days or weeks where nothing goes as planned? I am definitely having one of those half weeks. The first half of my week was amazing. You guys know you celebrated my birthday with me, and I am so grateful for all of your love and support. The second half of my week was interesting. I am missing not one, not two, but 3 packages. They are just lost in the abyss that is the USPS. One of those packages was my Fashom box. I was really looking forward to recording this video earlier in the week, having it ready because there's exciting news at the end of this video. However, it did not arrive. And that's it. No fault of Fashom, that is the fault of the mail service. So it's lost with 2 other packages this week. I don't know where they are, but life has to go on. I'm very type A, so I had a plan B. My plan B, of course, was to share with you guys today my favorites that I've picked up from Fashom over the years. I love Fashom for any number of reasons. If you're not familiar with Fashom, well, I'm going to tell you all about it, and I'm going to share my favorites. So stay tuned. All right, first of all, if you're not familiar with Fashom, let me give you a brief overview. Fashom is a styling service where you go onto their app, which is super easy to use, or their website. You go ahead and you start a style profile, answering the questions that they ask you about your life and your style. Once you do that, you can go ahead and ask for them to style you a box. It takes a few days. They'll alert you when it's ready. Then you go back onto the site or onto the app and you actually select the pieces that you want sent to you. You'll have up to 5 pieces sent to you, but they usually pick out about 7 to 10 pieces for you to select from. So these are actually curated by real people, not robots, not an AI system, an actual person. My stylist, her name is Kristen, and she is amazing. She speaks my language. She gets me. I love her. It's like we're BFFs and we only talked like one time. Anyways, your stylist will pick out those pieces. You'll pick the pieces that you love and want to have sent to you. If for some reason you don't like any of them, you can actually reach out to them and they'll try to, make it up to you somehow. So I really love the personalization of Fashom. The pieces will arrive at your house and you can try them on in the comfort of your own home with pieces in your own closet. Decide what you want, keep what you want, and then send the rest back. There is typically a styling fee associated with this service. It's $20, but I do have a referral link that's going to be in the description box below. Be sure to use that for some additional savings on your first box. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you? Let me tell you a little bit about Fashom and the reason that I love Fashom so much. You guys know I use a lot of styling services, but Fashom is unique. And first of all, they promote body positivity. Now, I know a lot of companies are saying that they are like inclusive, but Fashom truly, truly is. If you go to their Instagram page, you will see body shapes of all types. You will see people of all types from all backgrounds, and I absolutely love that. I'm a big proponent of diversity. If you've been on this channel for a minute, you know that I encourage you guys to really get out there and find channels, Instagrams that are a little bit different from you and get a new perspective on fashion, on life, on the world. And Fashom definitely is 100% behind that mission, and you can see it in the work that they do every day. I also really love that they support dog rescues. They have one in particular that they support in New York, and I absolutely love that. For the rest of you fellow Sagittarians out there, you know that we tend to be animal lovers. I have a beautiful dog named Layla who, she wasn't particularly a rescue, but she was kind of a rescue. I adopted her out of kind of a weird situation, and I feel so grateful to be able to love into her life and give her a really great home that she might not have otherwise had. And Fashom really supports that mission as well by, giving back to dog rescues that are, saving dogs' lives. And I really appreciate that. I mean, I appreciate saving anybody's life. So I love that Fashom is just so conscientious. A lot of their pieces come from sustainable companies, like these earrings that I'm wearing, which I will tell you about in just a little bit. You guys, you have to try out Fashom. This is not a sponsored video per se, but I am doing it in collaboration with Fashom, and I will get to that at the end of the video. In the meantime, let me show you a few of the pieces that I absolutely love from Fashom that I've picked up over the years. The first piece that I really love is this beautiful pair of Gaucho pants. This was probably one of the first things that I got from Fashom, and I absolutely love them so much. They're so comfortable. Now, when these arrived, they were large, and I was like, why are they so big? But they have this stretchy band in the back, which makes them so comfortable, and allowed me to wear them when I was a little bit smaller and now when I'm a little bit bigger. They're still just as comfortable as they were the first day that I got them. They've washed and they've worn over the years very well. These are by Gilli. I think I've had them for about 2 years. I love where they fall. They have this beautiful wide leg on them, and they're made of this kind of crepe material, like a heavy crepe. They have pockets, which I absolutely adore, so I can always stick my cell phone or lip gloss or whatever in there. There's a bow or a tie in the back, so you can actually adjust the waist a little bit to make it a little tighter, a little looser, in addition to, of course, this stretchy elastic waist in the back. They're so comfortable. They fall at a great length, even on my longer legs. I never feel like they're sitting at a bad place. There's just so much greatness about these pants. And you know what the other really great thing is that they accommodate being or having a shirt tucked into them. Well, as you can see in the video, I tucked in my Paper Moon shirt, which was a little bit longer, but it accommodates it really well because the fabric has got a nice heft to it. This wide band at the top, of course, holds in the tummy, but again, acts as kind of a belt in the middle, and so I can actually tuck in a tank top, tuck in a blouse or whatever, and it just hits me at the right place on the waist. So this is definitely a favorite pair of pants for me. I've had these, like I said, for a while, and I have worn them on so many occasions. I dress them up with a beautiful top like this Paper Moon one, or I can dress them down with a t-shirt, which if you follow me over on Instagram, you will have seen me wear these with a white tee, and it's just a great look for kind of a casual everyday. So this is definitely a favorite for me. The second item that I really love is, like I was talking about, this beautiful square polka dot top by Paper Moon. I've had several pieces by Paper Moon before from other styling services, but this is definitely one of my favorites. Again, it kind of has this crepe type feel to it. This is a little more lightweight than the pant, but I love this for the neckline on it. It kind of has this notched V neckline on it, and it just sits on my sits across the chest very well. I love a 3/4 length sleeve, and this one has one of the best because it already has the roll tab on it. I know some people don't really love roll tab sleeves, but I actually do because it keeps the sleeve exactly where you want it to be. You don't have to worry about pushing it up all the time, and it's got really cute little gold details on it. I love a polka dot. I have a lot of polka dots in my wardrobe, but these ones are unique in that they're actually square. Anything that's kind of unique or edgy, I'm here for it. So this particular shirt is definitely a win in my book. The other thing I love about this shirt is that it's very versatile. I have it tucked into the Gaucho pants that I was wearing in the video that I've shown you, but if you pull it out, then you can see that it's just as versatile when it's untucked as well. This is a really great piece to wear over leggings or skinny jeans with like a pair of tall boots. That would be really cute for the fall and winter. And this was actually one of the first pieces that I got from Fashom as well. I've had it for a few years. So as you can see, most of their pieces are very quality as well. So you don't have to worry so much about like, am I gonna have it for 2 minutes? This is not like a fast fashion kind of thing. They definitely provide you with pieces that are quality. One of the other things that I really love about Fashom is that it's budget conscious. So it's rare that you're gonna get a piece in a Fashom box that's over maybe 75 bucks or so. So it's really budget friendly. And then, like I said, every piece that I've ever had has been really, really quality. I am happy with all the pieces that I've kept from Fashom. And just for the record, this is only 5 of my favorites. I probably have about a dozen in my closet, and all of them have held up so well. They were all super affordable, and I super, super love them. The next piece that I'm gonna share with you is actually this denim kimono, and I got this over the summer. So if you go back in my kind of Fashom archives or my YouTube archives, you will see this in a past video. I love this kimono. I actually got it at the same time that I got a beautiful kind of denim mini dress, which I also really love, but it didn't make it to the top 5 in this video, but I wore the two pieces together and I was just like, I just died on screen because I loved it so much. Anyways, what I really love about this kimono, first of all, is this beautiful detailing that's on here. All of this stitching in all the colors allows me to pair this up with a lot of things in my closet. As you can see, I'm wearing it here with a pair of Spanx denim that I purchased over the summer, but it kind of picked up this kind of pinkish reddish color here that is in this kimono. I also love the sleeve length on this. For those of you who wear kimonos, you know sometimes the longer ones, the sleeves are just so blousy that they can sometimes get caught in everything. You're trying to eat and like they're in the way, or you're like doing something and they're just kind of hanging everywhere. This particular kimono has nice sleeves. They are wide, but they're not super wide. And the heft of the denim keeps it from flowing all over the place and getting in the way. This is just a really nice material, and the sleeves are kind of perfect. I also like the length on it because it fits then more like a sweater would, you know, what is the word I'm thinking of? I can't, I'm at a loss for words. It's early. But it has that kind of sweater feel as opposed to being, again, that long kind of robe-like feel. And so, again, this goes so well with so many other things in my wardrobe. This is perfect with leggings. I love to wear it with skinny jeans. I love to wear it with denim, like a bell-bottom cut kind of, or flare leg jean. So this is very versatile. I love to throw it on over just about anything. You can wear it low-key casual. You can dress it up a little bit. This is definitely a workhorse in my wardrobe. The last piece I want to share with you is this loose weave tank top, and it is by Staccato. It's in a size medium. That's what I'm wearing in the video that I'll be showing you. It's just a nice lightweight top. When I first purchased this, I wasn't sure if it was going to get me through like the fall and the winter, but I quickly learned that yes, it would. It's perfect for putting underneath a blazer, or like you're seeing it with this kimono. I can pair it up with an open sweater. Yes, it does have a loose weave on it, so it is a little airy, I guess is the word I want to use. You can kind of see there's definitely some like there's holes here, so the air moves through it, but you can easily put a tank top underneath this as like a first layer, or like I said, layer this up with another sweater. I think this is a great kind of like heavy layering piece, perfect under blazers. I love actually some of the sewing on it. The way this is knit at the bust line and under the shoulder gives this a beautiful shape along the bust, so it kind of lies really nicely. It's not too loose underneath the arm, and again, it falls in a nice place on the hip. It does have some venting on the sides to just make it lay really nicely, but I love to kind of half tuck this all the time because it really helps to elongate the look of my leg. So again, another workhorse in my wardrobe. The last piece that I want to share with you is actually probably one of my favorites in my entire jewelry cabinet, and that is these, I think it's pronounced Verdiarte. I may be pronouncing that wrong. Just go with it. All the information for them will be in the description box below. But I love, love, love these earrings. And you know why? Because they don't match. You guys, I love anything that is unique, that's a little bit edgy. And actually, I came to have these earrings in my life because I did an Instagram live with Matali, who is the CEO of Fashom, and she was wearing a similar pair of mismatched earrings by the same company. And Kristen, who is my stylist, noted that I loved them so much, she sent them to me in my next box, and I was in love from the minute that I tried these on. They're made from a kind of like grass type material. I believe they're made in Brazil, and they are made sustainably so that the land actually is farmed in a healthy way so they can continue to provide for the people who make these earrings. And I just thought that was so great. Like I said, you guys, Fashom is an amazing company. They are definitely trying to work with companies that create things sustainably. They are definitely thinking about body positivity and trying to make this a healthy fashion experience for people of all types, all shapes, all sizes, all ages. And like I said, they care about our animals. So I definitely suggest that you guys try out Fashom. There will be a referral link below if you would like to save a little coin on your first box. Okay, now to the part that you guys have all been waiting for. The giveaway. All right, I've got all the details here because I want to make sure that I don't forget anything that I need to tell you guys. So if you want to enter the giveaway from Fashom, I have collaborated with them along with 3 other influencers. And the first prize winner will get a $100 gift card, and 2 others will get a $50 gift card, each for a purchase from Fashom. Here's what you need to do to enter. First of all, you need to comment on this video below in the comments with the hashtag #BetterAsIam. All right, second thing you need to do is go to my Instagram, which is @fromtuesday, and I will post it at the bottom of this video so that you know exactly what it is that you're looking for. As well, all the details will be in the description box below. But go over to my Instagram and follow the instructions. Once you get over there, the instructions will tell you that you're going to need to like the post and go ahead and follow the 3 other influencers that are involved in this contest, as well as Fashom. So make sure that you follow all the instructions, comment below with hashtag #BetterAsIam, and you'll be entered to win one of those 3 gift cards. This giveaway goes on through December 21st. Again, all of the information will be below. If you have any particular questions about the contest, you can DM Fashom on Instagram. Again, I will leave it all below for you so you won't miss one single instruction, and that way you can be entered to win. I am so excited to be doing this. This is my first giveaway on this channel, and I feel like you guys are the best followers and you deserve all the things, and I am so happy to be able to give them to you. So again, go over to my Instagram, follow me there, follow the instructions for the giveaway. You'll see a post that has myself and the 3 other influencers that are working with us on this collaboration over there. So that's the post that you'll need to go ahead and like. But before you go over there and do that, be sure to like this video because hello, giveaway. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for all the rest of the fun that's gonna happen during Vlogmas. I will be posting through the 24th of December every single day. This is day 17. My dog is over here whining at me. You can't see her. She's off camera. She hates the camera. So like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until tomorrow, live with love. Bye.